Hi guys, my name is Ayush Abbas Salim and you start to watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with latest beautiful blouse designs, and in this blouse designs we are using some combination color knit, and we are just making border on the fabric, and upper side of the sleeves we are making on the net. Okay, so right now we are printing on the sleeves. First downside border, one line, and same line we are printing on the top. Okay, so look at this. First we are stitching one sugar beads line and one cardana line. Cardana is a very unique concept. It's making with some crystals and also mirrors. Okay, so look at this. When you're doing that type of work, you need to leave. First you are printing like this, then you need to leave maximum 10 to 15 minutes for dry. Then that type of work dry, it's looking very clearly. So I think this is a very perfect for you to making your blouse designs easily. If your printing was not perfect, so I think you will never make any type of designs with the clearly and also good quality work. So always remember, when you are printing, leave some minutes for dry. Okay, so now we are on the back and stitching sugar beads line. First we are stitching one cardana line, then we are stitching one gold zardozi line, and this gold zardozi line was different. It's a little bit something like zardozi load. It's not a thick load, it's a light load. And look at this. First we are stitching inside the zardozi load, this cardana, then we are start to stitching some sugar beads load, and now we are stitching cardana. Cardana is a very unique concept, and I think cardana, when you use this cardana, you need to stitching like very slowly, no need to do fast. Okay, and now we are using 7 number wooden needle. It's not for beginner. If you have some experience about ari work, so I think this needle is good for you. And if you new beginners in this line, so you need to use iron needle, same number with the same hooks. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some zardozi load leaf, and look at this leaf was a very curve type. It's not a straight leaf. First we are stitching one zardozi, then we are again stitching same like this, and look at this, we are making that type, and also this leaf will be completed as a curve shape. And first look at this middle of the leaf, we are stitching some jerkin stand, one downside and one upper side. Okay, and in this entire blouse designs we are stitching with the normal gold thread. It's not means thick thread, it's gold spectra thread, because thread also matter, because if your thread was not good, so I think you will face more difficulties to stitching like this. And also I think I have one suggestion for you. When you start to stitching that type of work, you don't need to do fast. Okay, always remember, you need to do slowly, and if you face any type of problem, so WhatsApp this number, my team always help you guys. And we are also taking online classes on a Google Meet, week 6 days, morning 10 to 11. We are teaching you everything about ari classes, and we are taking two type of classes. One is a 1 month classes and one is a 3-month classes. 3-month classes we are teaching everything about ari work. Okay, and then you completed 3 month, you can easily open your boutique any other side. Okay, and you make your own business. And if you face any difficulties to learn this work, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, look at this, and we are cutting this zardozi was a little bit small size, it's not a big size. And if you are stitching zardozi all around the kundans, you need to cut your zardozi long size, also 1.5 inches, according to your needle size. If you using 7 number 8 number, so I think you need to cut 1.5 inches zardozi. Okay, and look at this sleeves border. And now we are start to stitching some booties on the back neck, and this blouse not a too much heavy, it's elegant blouse designs, and this is a full stitching work. And blouse have a only two quality in my purposes, because I have lots of experience about ari work. So first is a sticking work. Sticking means like kundans sticking with the fabric rails, and one is a stitching work, always a little bit high in the price, but it's going long and also looking very grand. When you wear in the party, it's looking very fabulous design. Okay, so now we are stitching on the back and stitching some booties with the cardana. Okay, First we are stitching middle side of the one jerkin stand, then we are stitching 4 leaf with the jerkins. No, not jerkin, kardana. Okay, and if you think I am not good English, so please forgive me, because I have not idea about that. But I'm still try for you guys, because my lots of family members from south, he does not understand Hindi, so that's why I'm try to explain my work in English. So look at this. Now we are stitching on the net fabric, because in this blouse designs we are making a 3 inches border downside and 8 inches net work. Okay, look at this. And same booties we are stitching on the back, as the same booties we are stitching on the sleeves top size. Okay, look at this. It's a very fabulous blouse design, and this net was a combination color. Sari is a red color with the purple combination, so that's why we are using this purple net on the top of the sleeves. Okay, and maximum on one sleeves, maximum have a 16 booties on the one sleeves. It's a very beautiful blouse designs, and if you want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number, and I'll show you the final blouse designs look. It's a very beautiful blouse design, and I think you never seen before that type of work. That's why I'll decide to share with you guys. Okay, so look at this. This is a downside of these sleeves. Okay, it's a very beautiful blouse designs, and look at this border, sleeves border, and it's also very expensive work with the expensive materials, and we are using all these are materials with the original quality. We are not using any local quality. That's why I'm a little bit high in the price or related to market. We are not making any type of bad work. We are making always good work. So that's why my work will going long time, and that's why my all customers are very happy with me. And if you tell me, if you want these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number, and also tell me guys how's my design. I'll also show you the final blouse with the stitching look. Okay, and please tell me how's my designs, and how's my work quality, and also my designs quality. And if you want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And now I'll show you these sleeves look at this. These are sleeves also completed, and then we are start to stitching. I'll show you the final blouse look pictures. If you want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, love you.